Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. Today we will be presenting a prototype demo called English-Malay Dictionary Chatbot System. Our group consists of 4 people, which are Muhammad Amiruddin bin ZULKIFLI, me myself, Muhammad FAIZ AIMAN bin FAKHRURRAZI, Amiruddin bin AHMAD KEFLEE, and also AMIR FIRDAUS bin ROSMAN. Next, we move on to our project background. As for the system, the chatbot relies on the usage of artificial intelligence, or as known as AI, and also the use of natural language processing (NLP) to do its task. The system would receive input from the user, which will be sent to the AI. The AI will use NLP to filter out the key points and keywords for it to conduct its operation. As for stakeholder, our main stakeholder is Dewan Bahasa and Pustaka. And finally, as for the design, the chatbot will be designed around the user experience or the UX. Here, we strive to make the design user-friendly, which will make it easier for people to use it. It will also encourage not so tech-savvy people to use our chatbot because they wouldn't fear it would be too technical for them to understand on how to use it. So now, let's move on to our prototype demo.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amiruddin, and now I will presenting to you our demo project. Alright, first of all, when you open our apps, our COA chatbot apps, this is the first user interface that you will see. Alright, this is our login page. For those who already have an account, you can just put your username and password. And for those who did not sign up for an account, you can create an account by clicking on the sign up here. Okay, to create an account, you just enter your full name, username, email, and choose any password. For me, I already have an account, so I go back to sign in. Okay, I will put my username here, Amiruddin, and my password. Okay, login. Alright, this is our homepage. So as what we can see here, this is the 3 main features that our apps provide, which is translate. We will use chatbot to translate an English word to a Malay word, and then we have history that will show our previous search history, and then our profile. Okay, let's go to translate. Okay, first of all, the chatbot will ask, what word do you want to translate? Okay, as a user, we can give the input by 2 different ways. First of all, we can use keystroke or just type in the word, or we can use audio. Okay, now I will show you how to use it. How to use the keystroke. Okay, just type any word. Okay, trail, for example, trail. Press enter. Alright. Then the NLP will learn the definition and the meaning of word trail using database from Dewan Bahasa and Pustaka. Okay, here is the result. So this is teruja and terharu. The closest meaning to trail in Malay. Okay, this is the audio. If you want to learn how to pronounce the word, we can click on the audio. Okay, let's click on teruja.
Teruja.
Okay, teruja. Okay, then terharu.
Terharu.
Alright. Okay, if we go down here, we will see the similar section. So there are a few words that have the closest meaning and the closest by definition to trail. So if we click on excited, Okay, it will show the result for excited. So we also have Troja, and another word that have closest meaning to excited is rangsang. Okay, if you want to know more detail about word trail, you can click on trail here. Okay, so here the system will show the more detailed explanation about word trail. So we can use it to differentiate the what we already know about trail, and the we can compare it to the translated word in Malay. Okay, now I will show you how to use audio. Okay, you see mic button down here, just press it and say any word. Okay, we also go with trail. Okay, trail. Okay, this is the word, the voice input that I already sent just now. So how does this work? Okay, the AI system will use voice recognition. So the voice recognition will process the voice data and convert it into structured form such as text, and then the NLP, natural language processor, will try to understand the meaning and then process the audio text. Okay, so we have the result here, Troja and Taharu, and down here we also have similar section. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you. I will pass to the next presenter.
So we proceed to the history function, where in the history function we can see the previous translation. We have the search function where we can search the previous translation, and we also have the alphabet search. So when we click we want to find the previous translation, for example like this, we will display the name and the function of the word. We also can display the sound of the translation word. So we proceed to the profile function, where we can see the personal information about ourselves. I think that's all from me. Thank you very much.
And for the final part of this demonstration, I will show you the code of our chatbot. So we coded our chatbot in Python and used an OpenAI module. And to give you a brief run through our code, so this is to use our API key, which is stored in the TXT, and this is the visuals, you could say the CSS for this project, and we are interested in the translate function, which would basically be the function for this project, which is where we enter input and we will receive output using the model from OpenAI. So let's run our model, shall we? So here, let's try amazing, and it comes out as hebat, which is correct. But not only we can translate one word, we can also translate a whole sentence. For example, I ate bananas for breakfast, which translates into saya makan pisang untuk sarapan, which is also correct. So that's all for our demonstration.
That is all for our group. Thank you.